Hi all! In this video we are going to see about how technologies are enabled using service catalogs. First of all, I am thanking to my guide Dr. S. Hamad Ibrahim sir for encouraging me to do this project. The main objective of this project is to make the system tightly coupled and highly integrated, reduce the roles of fragmented communication channels, and performance overhead. It is a centralized repository system where all the things were captured and updated for doing any enhancements or verifications. SLA. The term SLA stands for Service Level Agreement, which plays a critical role in completion of tasks on time. Flow designer is an important part when it comes to automate the process in certain triggered conditions. This overall thing reduces the process overheading, include networking and communication and multiple roofs too. Reports and dashboards is the eventual thing. Through this we can easily get the instant updates and the things what are presented in it. Record producer name. First of all, the name is what the project is contains. Table name, to which table this record producer will mapping of. There are a lot many tables like case, instance, etc. etc. Keep your application scope as global for betterment of doing projects. We can do customer service or some stuffs like that until the specific conditions or specific requirements needed. The accessibility here, the catalog is service catalog and the category is software. Why we are mapping software is because whatever the thing where we want to access by means of mobile phones or by means of laptops or any sources, even though in portal this will work. Catalog UI policies, there are certain policies will trigger on certain conditions or certain point of time which we were mentioned, that as if this happens, if it is like this and this will be like this, like what it will work. Client script, the most interesting thing. There are three things which were playing an important role when it comes to client script. The one is on load and the another is on change and eventually on submit. When we are doing this kind of things, the mentioned script will trigger. When it comes to server side, there the three things will present and moreover one is error, that is on cell error, which will function only in client script, which will present only in server scripting, not in client scripting. SLA, Service Level Agreement. There are two targets when it comes to SLA. The one is resolution and the another one is response. Resolution is all about providing a solution which is playing an important role in solving the problem. The provided solution should solve the problem. So this is known as resolution. Response is simply responding to the problems, like if we are listening to the problem, that is also considered as a response. For creation of a good SLA, keep the target as resolution. Flow designer, in what flow it should trigger to avoid the lot many processing updates on a lot many same cases. We use flow designer to do the process automatically when that condition triggers. So why this will work. Reports and dashboard. Reports and dashboard plays an important role when it comes to services and creation for the betterment of the services and to provide a very nice, easy, accessible and client-friendly nature of the projects. First of all, we want to map the data on what data we are doing these reports, in what type we want that to be represented on, and configuration, which are the fields or which are the features or for what are the cases we are doing this. And eventually this time filters. Filter parameters play an part where we can give certain conditions like this is what this and this is how it is this, and we set certain filters like state is complete and the progress is also complete, then I want that reports alone like what we used to specify. And this all reports, not only one. For a project we can keep more than one reports, more than five, whatever we want. The combination of all the reports is known as dashboard. The entire process, the entire things presented inside are reflected in dashboard. Thank you so much for your patience on listening this. Thank you.